Would you believe me if I tell you I've tried up to 20 crochet hairstyles in the past 1 year, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the miracle knots hairstyle making use of this deep body wave crochet from Ywigs. Now, if you're not new to the channel, we have worked with Ywigs a couple of times, and one thing I must say about their extension, it's so soft, high quality, and you can definitely trust them. As I mentioned, I'm going to be making use of the 20 inches and 22 inches of the feather crochet extension. More details will be in the description box.
Hi favorites, welcome or welcome back to the channel. So today we're making another miracle knot, but I intend on making it longer. Now, miracle knot, the concept of that is that you use your natural hair, you know, as the braids, and then you crochet on it. But then I added a little bit of braiding hair extension to make it longer because I want the length to come down a bit more, as you can see. So I observed that the brand sent me 2 different lengths, but the longer one was only a single one. Then the remaining, let's see, the remaining 5, I have 6 packs right here. The remaining 5 are shorter. So as you can see, I believe you can see the length difference between both of them. So I intend on using the longer one for the tip down here. So it's going to, you know, be longer, and then this one for the body of the crochet. Now I do hope this is going to be enough. I believe it's going to be enough because unlike the regular 5 packs I make use of, I am making use of 6. So yeah, do keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more hair tutorials and more style inspo. Do leave a comment, okay? Tell me if you like the hairstyle by the end of this video.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
So favorites, we are done with the hair. Oh my god! Now I couldn't record everything because I already recorded the process. The process to making this style is super easy. I mean, the first thing you have to do is to braid your hair, your natural hair. You can add braiding hair if you want it to be longer, just like I did for this style. And aside from that, all you have to do is to keep crocheting on the body, and then basically what I showed you. So please let me know in the comment section if you've seen this video till this point. Let me know, can you make this style yourself? Let me know if you're going to be trying feather crochet. What do you think about this style? What do you think about feather crochet generally? And details to the hair, of course, will be in the description box. And okay, so now let's talk about the edge controls I made use of. If you've ever asked me how I do my edges, and how it doesn't turn white. I basically use Ywigs. I think that's how they pronounce this. I've never seen anyone pronounce this edge control, but you must have seen this edge control before, especially if you're in Nigeria. I use this and then I use this. I have already done my edges. This is my signature way of doing my edges. As you can see, it's already laid, it's not moving anywhere. Now it's time for me to show you how to style the crochet. Of course, the first way to rock it is, you know, at a middle part, just like this.